Hello friends, today I got my exhaust from AEW Pune. These are in stainless steel and the model is T102. The packing is very nice. There is a separate box for each exhaust and exhausts are packed very well. Really nice packing. Now I have opened the box of exhaust. Here it is. The exhausts are packed really very nice. I'm so happy to see the packing. You can see it's all covered in plastic wrapping. Here it is the Allen key for the baffles. Even they have provided the nut and bolts for tightening the exhaust on the exhaust pipe. Superb quality of packing. Now I will unbox the another exhaust. Now I have unboxed both the exhausts. Here you can see how well they are packed. Both are wrapped in a plastic sheet and there is a layer of this foam to protect the exhaust from any damage during transit. Exhausts are pretty light in weight compared to the stock exhausts, and the finish of this stainless steel is superb, simply superb. Here you can see the removable DB killer. Really love the sound of these exhausts. Earlier I was using the another version of these exhausts, that is T101. That exhaust is bit slim, but this exhaust complements the look of the bike. The TE101 exhaust is slim from this side, but this exhaust look equally proportionate to the size of the bike. I will fit these exhausts in a day or two.